What type of olive oil is best for 4C hair growth? There are different types of olive oils. The International Olive Council has defined different grades of olive oils into 5 categories: extra virgin olive oil, refined olive oil, olive pomace oil, and lampante oil. Number 1. Extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin is the highest grade olive oil. To be certified for the extra virgin label, the oil must come from the first pressing of fresh olives, within 24 hours of harvesting, must be extracted by non-chemical, mechanical means, and without the use of excessive heat, specifically below 28°C. The free fatty acid or acidity level must be less than 0.8%. It must be defect-free, having a perfect taste and aroma. Number 2. Virgin olive oil. Virgin olive oil is inferior quality to extra virgin olive oil. Its flavor intensity and taste is milder compared to extra virgin olive oil. For an oil to be labeled virgin olive oil also comes from the first pressing. Must have an acidity level of less than 2%. Number 3. Refined olive oil. These are oils that are obtained from virgin olive oils by refining agents such as acids, alkalis, and heat to extract as much oil as possible. This oil is fattier and more acidic oil which lacks aroma, taste, and natural antioxidants. Producers often need to add unrefined extra virgin or virgin olive oil to add flavor, color, and aroma into the blend. Number 4. Olive pomace oil. This is the lowest grade of olive oil made from the byproducts of extra virgin olive oil production. The oil is extremely low in antioxidant. The byproducts, olive seeds, skins, and pulp, are heated and the remaining oil is extracted using a solvent such as hexane. Number 5. Lampante oil, not fit for human consumption. This oil that has a free acidity, expressed as oleic acid of more than 3.3%. The oil is produced from bad fruit or poor processing practices. It is not fit for human consumption unless it has been refined. So what is the best olive oil to use for 4C hair? Extra virgin olive oil is the best to use. Many natural hair bloggers have attested that extra virgin olive oil is the best to use on their hair. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.